So hey guys, what's up? And in this video we are going to see how you can add your Dialogflow bot into your WordPress site. So in the very first step, you need to log into your Kommunicate dashboard. You can register for a new account from the link in description box below if you don't have one yet. Once you have logged in, click on bot integration from the side navigation panel, and under Dialogflow you can see there is a button and it says integrate bot. So you have to click on that, and after clicking on that, a settings pop-up will appear which will ask you for your Dialogflow credentials. Now either you can put your credentials right now or you can wait for a moment. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your Dialogflow console. Now besides your bot's name, click on the settings icon, this gear icon. Now under the general tab, make sure your bot is using version 2 API as API version. If it isn't, create a new bot with version 2 API. Now, once you have done that, go to your Dialogflow console and under the same general tab, navigate to Google project category and click your service account and agree terms and service. On the service account page, click the actions menu for your bot and click create key. Select JSON and click create. A private key file will be downloaded. Now go back to Kommunicate site. You have to select your Dialogflow version 2 and upload the key file to complete the setup. Click save and proceed to move to the next step. The next is the bot profile section. In this section, you can give your bot a name and a profile image which will be visible to your users or your customers whenever the bot interacts with them. When you proceed to next step, you can enable automatic bot to human handoff. Now the final step is to connect your Dialogflow bot to your website. But before that, to use the bot in customer conversation, you need to assign all new incoming conversations to the bot. You can simply do that by going to the settings, then click conversation rules and enable assign new conversations to bot and select your bot from the drop-down menu. You can also test your bot under manage bot section. Once you are done with your integration of Dialogflow account with your Kommunicate account, log into your WordPress dashboard. After logging in, from the left navigation panel, click on plugin and then click on add new. Now from the search bar over here, type header and footer. Once you search for it, here is this plugin. Install this plugin in your website. You'll see this install now button. Just click on it and the plugin will get installed. I have already installed this plugin on my website, so let's move to the next step directly. You'll be able to see that plugin in your installed plugins list. Now click on settings and then from the left navigation panel, click insert headers and footers. Now after this, open a new tab and log into your Kommunicate dashboard. Go to your settings, click install and click on web. So here is the code for your chat plugin. Copy this script, move back to WordPress tab and you can see the script in footer section over here. You have to paste your script here. Once you have pasted the script, click on save. So now you have successfully integrated your Dialogflow bot with your website using Kommunicate. So after saving all the changes, visit your website and here you can see your chat plugin installed. Also, here is an example of live chat widget with chatbot from our website. So this is a chatbot Eve. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one.